Most people believe you need a big team, a fancy office, and millions of dollars to build $1 million business. But what if I told you that today, one person, sitting in a small room with just a laptop and the internet, can build a business that makes over $1 million a year? No employees, no warehouses, no huge startup capital, just one person and AI. And the craziest part, it's already happening. Across the United States, the UK, and Australia, thousands of solo entrepreneurs are quietly building powerful businesses using artificial intelligence. Businesses that once required teams of marketers, designers, writers, and developers are now being run by a single individual. In this video, we're going to break down the exact one-person business model powered by AI, how it works, why it's exploding right now, and how ordinary people are turning simple ideas into serious income. And trust me, the final part of this model is where things get really interesting. But before we dive in, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content about business, money, and the future of technology. Now let's get into it. For most of history, building a big business meant one thing, people. You needed writers to create content, designers to make graphics, marketers to run campaigns, developers to build websites. Even a small online business required hiring freelancers or building a team. That meant higher costs, slower growth, and a lot of risk. But AI just changed the entire equation. Today, tools powered by artificial intelligence can write content, design visuals, build websites, analyze markets, run customer support, and even automate sales. Tasks that once took entire departments can now be handled by software in minutes. And that's exactly why the one-person business model is exploding. Instead of building a big company first, smart entrepreneurs are building smart systems. Systems where AI handles 80% of the workload, and the human focuses on strategy, creativity, and decision-making. Think of it like this. You are no longer just a worker. You become the CEO of a team of AI tools. And that shift is powerful. Now here's the structure that many successful solo founders are quietly following. It's built around 3 core layers. The first layer is idea leverage. This is where most people get stuck. They think the secret is creating something revolutionary, some genius invention that no one has thought of before. But the truth is much simpler. The most successful one-person businesses are built on problems that already exist. People struggling to learn new skills, small businesses needing marketing help, content creators needing editing, students looking for study tools. Instead of reinventing the wheel, smart entrepreneurs ask a much better question. What problem already exists, and how can AI help solve it faster or cheaper? For example, imagine a freelancer who notices that many small businesses struggle to write social media posts. Before AI, solving this problem meant hiring a social media manager. Now one person can use AI tools to generate content calendars, captions, marketing ideas, and visuals, and offer it as a monthly service. One person, dozens of clients, automated workflow. That's idea leverage. But the second layer is where the real magic happens. It's called AI amplification. This is where artificial intelligence turns a small idea into something much bigger. Let's say you decide to start a simple online business, helping creators grow on YouTube. 10 years ago, you'd need writers, researchers, editors, and designers. Today, AI can help you research trending topics, write scripts, design thumbnails, generate marketing emails, build landing pages, and analyze audience data. Instead of working 8 hours to produce one piece of content, you could produce 10. This changes the speed of business completely. A single person can now create the output of an entire small company. And when your productivity increases like that, something incredible happens. Opportunities multiply. You can launch digital products, online courses, newsletters, consulting services, content channels, or subscription communities, all while keeping costs incredibly low. But here's the part that most people still don't understand. Having AI tools isn't enough. The people who are actually building million-dollar solo businesses aren't just using AI randomly. They are building systems, automated pipelines where content attracts an audience. The audience enters a funnel, and that funnel sells products or services on autopilot. This brings us to the third layer of the one-person business model. And this is the layer that quietly turns small online projects into million-dollar machines. Because once AI helps you create and scale your work, the real question becomes, how do you turn attention into predictable revenue? This is where the third layer of the one-person business model comes in. It's called scalable monetization. And this is the point where a simple online project starts transforming into a real business. Most people online chase views, likes, and followers. They think the bigger the audience, the bigger the money. But that's not always true. There are creators with millions of followers struggling to make a living. And there are solo entrepreneurs with small audiences quietly generating 6 or even 7 figures a year. The difference is not attention. The difference is how attention is converted into value. Smart one-person businesses focus on building a simple value ladder. At the top of the ladder is free content. This could be YouTube videos, newsletters, short-form content, blog posts, or educational threads. The goal here isn't immediate profit. The goal is trust. AI makes this part incredibly powerful. One person can research topics, generate outlines, draft scripts, design visuals, and schedule content across multiple platforms in a fraction of the time it once took. Instead of posting occasionally, a solo founder can suddenly publish consistent, high-quality content. And consistency builds authority. Now, once people trust you, the next step in the ladder is low-ticket value. This might be a $19 guide, a $29 template pack, or a $49 digital toolkit that solves a specific problem. These products don't need warehouses, shipping, or inventory. They're digital, and once they're created, they can be sold again and again. AI helps here too. It can assist with writing guides, organizing lessons, designing worksheets, building landing pages, and even answering customer questions automatically. One person builds the system, and the system keeps working. But the real growth usually happens at the next level of the ladder. This is high-value services or premium products. Think consulting, coaching, specialized training programs, or advanced digital courses. When someone has already consumed your free content and maybe purchased a small product, they already trust your expertise. So when you offer a deeper solution, the value feels clear. And this is where revenue can scale surprisingly fast. Imagine a solo entrepreneur who helps small businesses improve their online marketing. They publish free videos explaining marketing strategies. They sell a $29 marketing template pack. Then they offer a $1,000 consulting package for businesses that want hands-on help. If just 10 clients take that offer each month, that's already $10,000 monthly revenue. Now imagine that system running consistently. More content brings more viewers. More viewers discover the digital products. Some of those customers upgrade to premium services. And because AI is helping with research, writing, design, analytics, and automation, the entire operation can still be managed by one person. That's the real power of this model. But there's something even deeper happening beneath the surface. We are entering a time where individual leverage has never been higher. Just 20 years ago, building a global business required offices, employees, advertising budgets, and complex infrastructure. Today, someone sitting in a small apartment in London, New York, or Sydney can launch a business that reaches customers all over the world. AI tools help them move faster. Digital platforms help them distribute their work. And online payment systems allow them to earn instantly. The barriers that once protected big companies are slowly disappearing. And that creates a massive opportunity. But it also raises an important question. In a world where AI can help anyone create content, launch products, and automate businesses, what will separate the people who succeed from everyone else? The answer is surprisingly human. Curiosity, creativity, and the willingness to keep learning. AI can generate ideas, but it still needs direction. It can automate tasks, but it still needs someone making smart decisions. The most successful one-person entrepreneurs aren't the ones who rely entirely on technology. They're the ones who combine technology with human insight. They notice problems others ignore. They experiment with ideas. They build systems slowly, step by step, until those systems start working without them. And once that happens, something powerful begins to take shape. A business that doesn't depend on a huge team. A business that isn't limited by geography. A business where one focused individual, supported by AI, can create value for thousands or even millions of people. That's the quiet revolution happening right now. Not massive corporations growing bigger, but individuals becoming more powerful than ever before. And the people who understand this shift early are the ones who will build the next generation of digital businesses. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about business, technology, and the future of opportunity. Because the world of work is changing faster than most people realize, and those who learn to adapt will be the ones shaping what comes next.